Welcome to UNC-Wilmington, the coastal university of North Carolina. I'm Dr. Narcisa Pricope, and I lead the efforts to integrate drone technology into teaching, training, and research at UNCW. Using university funding, I acquired our first senseFly eBee Plus RTK drone back in 2016 and have been developing a variety of applied research projects ever since. We used our eBee drone to map environments with complex vegetation structures and highly dynamic barrier islands where small topographic variations, for example, can mean big changes in structure and functionality of ecosystems. The high versatility of the eBee and supported sensors allowed us to create interdisciplinary collaborations with biologists, for instance, to establish the influence of beach temperature variations on bird nesting success. Internationally, with funding from Fulbright, we've engaged in teaching and research at Peru's premier agrarian university, where I taught the first precision livestock management class and trained students and faculty to fly the eBee and collect valuable data to assess the condition of high-elevation grazing lands. Properly managing grazing lands to maintain food security is a matter of national importance in Peru. In conclusion, acquiring our advanced drone technology has revolutionized the types of applied research questions we can ask, the collaborations across fields that we can engage in, the career paths students can aspire to, and allowed us to leverage external funding to further develop our cutting-edge capabilities. Thank you for the opportunity to be a part of the drone revolution.